Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting tutorials. Let's see how to create this type of hanging car in a gothic castle video.
First, open the Gemini AI app. After opening it, select Nano Banana. Next, click on the plus icon and upload your car image. After uploading, I will provide a prompt in the description. Copy that prompt and paste it here. Now, carefully check the prompt. You must make a few changes, otherwise the image will not generate properly. In the prompt, enter your car color and car name correctly. After making the changes, click Send. Your image will now be generated. Once the image is generated, save the image. We need images in different angles, right? So again, select the same image. I will give a second prompt in the description. Copy that prompt and paste it here. In this prompt also, change the car color and car name to match yours. After changing, click Send. A new image will be generated in a different angle. Like this, you can generate multiple angles using the prompts I provide. Creating the video. After generating all the images, open any browser. Search for Flow AI. Open the first website that appears. Sign in using your Gmail account. After signing in, click on New Project. Then select Frame to Video. Click the plus icon and upload one of the images you generated. Select the image. Now, I will provide a video prompt in the description. Copy that prompt and paste it here. No changes are needed for this prompt. After pasting, click Send. Your video will be generated. Once done, download the video. Now, select another angle image, paste the same video prompt, and click Send again. Repeat this process for all images. Final editing. After generating all videos, open any editing software. Add a song, adjust the clips according to the beat, and then export the final video. That's it.
If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. It really motivates me to create more videos like this. Thank you.